What in the world? What? Wait, so many questions. My YouTube channel does a lot of 3D pen content, so it pains me when I see questionable 3D pen videos done by mega channels like 5 Minute Crafts. But the other day, I was struck by a thought. I'd actually be a great person to test out what these videos are trying to teach. So I picked the most popular 3D pen video made by 5 Minute Crafts. The video's title is 3D Pen Crafts 29 Crazy DIY Ideas. And at the time of filming, it had around 5.8 million views. What follows are my reactions and testing of some of these crazy ideas. Enjoy. Oh boy. I'm so excited. I have no idea what they're doing right now. Is this the eyelash thing? Oh my god. Okay, just buy some fake eyelashes that are meant to go on your eyes. Don't put hard plastic, little tiny things of hard plastic near your eye. Don't do that. Like, I mean, I just don't. Oh, oh, my comb is broken. Oh, here we go. Again, that's gonna work like once, and then it's gonna rip off in your hair and be stuck in your hair. I mean, okay. Uh,
So let's test this out. Adding the new teeth was super easy. A little bit of trimming, and voila, 5 minute craft achieved. Except that once you put any pressure on them, they just fall right off. Wah, wah, wah.
all right, next one. Here we go. Okay, covering a doll. So it all depends on the kind of plastic that the doll's made of. It could stick or it could not stick. Here's our thumbnail. I guess drawing hair. Oh my god. What? It just cuts. I don't know. I kind of doubt that that's the same.
Why don't we find out then? Time for the next test. This isn't creepy, right? I was actually surprised at how small I could make the curls in the hair. Remember how I mentioned different kinds of plastic? This is PLA filament, and it doesn't stick at all. Let's try ABS filament, which is another type of plastic. This sticks a tiny bit better, but still pulls off easily. I still think the final hair they show is sketchy, but it might be possible. But it would just fall right off.
Okay, next one. Okay, crack in the wall. Okay, so they're basically ripping off Sanago. Yeah, so that's totally ripping off Sanago. Like, so they're basically just taking his thumbnails and like recreating them here. Like, those are very popular videos, so they're just saying, hey, people know this, people are gonna like this. All right, we got a shoe. We got some tinfoil. Drawing some shapes on there. Okay, so this is one that involves fabric, which I've done some videos on. Okay, so they're making a custom shoe. Okay, so the thing about this is that the plastic is hard, so that's going to be extremely uncomfortable on your feet, and like that's going to hurt. And the hard plastic is not going to stick to the fabric. You need to use flexible filament, which is what I found during my testing. So this looks like it will work, but in fact it would not. It would hurt your feet and it would fall off the sole really quickly. All right, here we go. Ooh, more fabric, more fabric. Fixing the zipper. Oh, that's an interesting one. Okay. Yeah, I might have to give that one a try. That's interesting. What do I think about that one? Well, I think after a couple uses it would fall off again. Again, that's the hard plastic on the fabric will just it comes right off. And so it may work once, but it probably is just going to fall right off. So it's maybe one-time use, but otherwise pretty useless.
And right off the bat, I had a super hard time getting the filament to stick. It would be interesting to try this with flexible filament, but I'm trying to do it just as they show. I wonder how many takes it took them to get that one clip that they show. Once I got some to not come off immediately, as soon as I tried to use the zipper, it fell apart. Yeah, I couldn't get this one to work at all.
Okay, fixing the scissor handles. So I think there's a pattern here. A lot of these are along the same vein where they'll work once or work for a little while and then they'll just fall apart. So that might work for a little while.
Okay, have any of you ever seen scissors break like this? This was straightforward and fast to do. And now the moment of truth. This one actually worked pretty well. I'll call this one confirmed, but it does break fairly easily, so be gentle.
Ooh, in a notebook, writing in a notebook, okay. So 3D pen filament does stick well to paper. It sticks too well, actually. It will pull the paper right off of it. So what in the world? Head? DNA? Tail fiber? Sheath? What is this? It looks like a candle on top of a spider. I think they're trying to show someone doing homework. A plus. A plus. What? All right, here we go. Next one. Boy, more fixing of the cracks. Yep. Okay. How many times can we show this one? Oh, we're painting it. Oh, game changer. We're changing. Okay, same one. So this is maybe like not 29 ideas, it's like 10 ideas. So I think I sound like a broken record here, but a lot of these are the same, right? Where that is going to stick to the wood for a little while and then it's just going to pull right off and then you're just going to throw the plastic away. So I think a lot of these have the same type of pattern where from the surface it looks like it will work, but if you actually tried them, which I will do, they just fall right off. So they're just trying to pump out the ideas and keep the video moving so that people watch for as long as possible. They're not actually trying to teach you how to do something or make something useful. They're just trying to get you to watch and work the YouTube algorithm, basically.
Initially, the plastic does stick to the wood. But when extremely light force is applied, it just pulls right off. Trying again at the top held a little better, but still came off too easily.
Oh, wait a minute. That's a glue gun. That's a glue gun. That's not a 3D pen. That's a glue gun. They just switched over. Okay, all right, we're giving up now. We're out of crazy original 3D pen ideas. We're just going right to a glue gun. Okay, on a watermelon. All right, let's see what they got. It's a glue gun. It's seriously a glue gun. Uh, okay. Oh, a fruit bowl, the custom fruit bowl. What? Why? Why? I mean, it's gonna fall apart. It's gonna fall apart. Oh my god. I'm gonna get back to the 3D pen. No. So they're like making a mold, like a cheap little mold, and using the glue gun again. All right, wait. Oh, wait. Aren't you missing this? How do you attach that on your hand? You just like set it there and it falls off. Some flashy thing that they can show, and like you don't actually learn how to make it. I mean, it might work if you actually put a handle on it, which you could use a 3D pen for. But nope, they can't take the time to do that. They just got to keep it moving. Okay, so they're using like a silicone mold. But wait a minute. What? Huh? What? Okay, let's review what they taught us. You take some sharp pins, you barely mold them into some glue. Then you take these and stick them through your backpack. So guess what's sticking out on the inside of your backpack where we're going to be putting our hands in and out all the time? That's right, the sharp ends of the pins. Brilliant. That's sarcasm in case you missed it. Don't do this, it's dangerous. I hate it when that happens. Oh, what? I hate it when I'm singing in the shower and the soap flies out and then drops into someone's cereal bowl. It's so good. Oh, there it goes. Oh my God. It's a soap holder. Okay, so securely fixed. Yes, securely fixed. 5-minute craft, solving problems that do not exist. Wait, so many questions. Wait, my umbrella's broken. So let's rip it apart and use it to make a cover for my bag instead of getting a new umbrella. I, but you don't have an umbrella anymore. You're gonna get wet. I. Okay, let's do a rundown on this 5-minute craft video. As I mentioned before, the video title is 29 Crazy DIY Ideas. Except there are 36 ideas shown in the video. And halfway through the video, they just switch over to a glue gun. So right there, they pissed me off by making this clickbait. And of the 18 3D pen ideas they actually show, 7 don't work as shown or are dangerous. So yeah, I can't say I recommend their content at all. There is good 3D pen content out there. You just have to search for it and not necessarily watch what the YouTube algorithm serves up to you.
Speaking of good content, if you're interested in learning how to use a 3D pen, check out my tutorials playlist, which covers all skill levels. Finally, don't forget to subscribe for more 3D pen content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.